Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Get a gun! Drop the 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 gun!
Tampa 911, what is the location of your emergency?
3110 North 50th Street.
Okay. Is that a house or an apartment?
It's Dollar General. There's a man with a gun here. He's threatening us.
Black or white? Hispanic?
Black. Black, orange shirt. Ma'am, come in here, please. Come in here. Ma'am, hey, in here, now. Everybody in here now. Come on. Get in here. 3110 North 50th Street.
Okay.
Man with a gun.
Is
Black
he out
man,
front?
orange shirt. Excuse me?
Is he out front?
I don't know. We ran in the office. He must have went out. He could have left. He got a gun on him.
Was he inside?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Do you see what color pants he had on?
I don't know. What color pants he had? Like some black sweatpants? Tina, pull up the camera, try to see where he went, which way he went, what direction. He went out through the back? No, they say he went there when he told my car.
Okay. Which way did he run?
He went out in the street.
He went back this back way.
Did he run back out of the store?
Yeah, he went out the store.
Okay. Do you know which way he went?
Which way did he go?
Back in the back.
He went that way?
Yeah.
He went towards the back of our building, 49th Street, towards 49th Street.
Do you know what type of gun he had?
It looked like a revolver, 6-shooter.
Okay. We do have officers en route right now.
All right.
Okay. Do you know what color it was?
Black.
Okay. Did he have any facial hair? Do you know what around?
He had a mask. He had a mask on.
Mask on?
He had a white mask on. We had like a little.
A little what?
I don't know, like a little afro. I don't know.
Okay.
A little bit of hair on the top of his head.
Short afro?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's got to be on foot. He was stealing food. But he pulled out a revolver. We caught him trying to steal, so he took the merchandise and then he pulled the gun.
Okay. Do you know around what age he looked?
Huh?
Do you know around what age he looked like?
He looked like a teenager, maybe 20s, possibly early 20s, young.
Right. Let's see. Okay. Do you know? Did he take any merchandise?
Yeah, he had a bag full of stuff. Yeah, I think he was stealing like food. There's a shootout. There's a shootout.
There's a shootout?
They're shooting down.
Where?
I don't know. I think that's the police. Down there.
You heard gunshots? You heard gunshots?
Yeah, I did.
How many did you hear?
I heard a lot. That's the cops, though.
Okay. Okay. All right. We got it. The officers are, they have a subject down there.
Yeah. Yep.
What's your name?
My name. Yeah.
All right. What was your last name? Okay. And your phone number? Okay. All right. And you're an employee there at the dollar store?
Yes, ma'am. I'm the store manager.
Okay. All right. The officers are out with the subject.
I see that. Wow, there's a lot of them.
Okay. They'll speak with you as soon as they're available, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have you tested for coronavirus?
Yeah, I haven't been tested, no.
Oh, okay. Have you or anyone in your household come in contact with someone?
No.
Okay. Have you had any fever, chills, or coughs in the last 5 days?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And have you traveled in the last 14 days or had contact with someone?
No, ma'am.
All right. Okay. We're about to hang up. We're trying to find them, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
On the ground! Tampa Police, get on the ground! Tampa Police, get on the ground! All 6 got one at gunpoint, 50th Street. Get on the ground! Show me your hands! Give me your... Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Got a gun! Drop the 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 gun!